You've probably yanked these out of your garden thinking they're just weeds, but hidden inside them are real, science-backed healing compounds that healers have used for thousands of years. Today, I'm counting down 10 of the most powerful medicinal plants you can actually grow at home. Number 7 might genuinely surprise you. Number 10, chamomile. Kicking off our list at number 10 is nature's calming flower, chamomile. This delicate, daisy-like plant has been a staple in medicine for thousands of years, loved by ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. Its main superpower is its ability to soothe and relax, which makes it a world-renowned remedy for stress, anxiety, and sleepless nights. And this isn't just an old wives' tale. The science is really there to back it up. Chamomile contains a powerful antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in your brain to help reduce anxiety and initiate sleep. Numerous systematic reviews and meta-analyses have confirmed that chamomile can significantly improve sleep quality. Beyond its calming effects, it's also a potent anti-inflammatory. Recent reviews have shown that chamomile can cause statistically significant reductions in pain and inflammation, particularly for mucosal tissues. So how to use it? The easiest way is to brew a simple tea. Just steep a tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drinking a cup about an hour before bed can make a world of difference for your sleep. Its gentle nature makes it one of the most beloved and accessible healing herbs out there. Number 9, peppermint. Next up, at number 9, is a plant with an unmistakable, invigorating scent. Peppermint. It's more than just a flavor for candy. Peppermint is a powerful digestive aid that people have used for centuries to settle an upset stomach. Its healing superpower comes from its main active compound, menthol. Science has shown that menthol has an antispasmodic effect, which means it helps relax the smooth muscles in your gut. This is why it's one of the most recommended natural remedies for irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS. Multiple studies have found that special enteric-coated peppermint oil capsules can significantly reduce abdominal pain for those with IBS. But even a simple cup of peppermint tea can work wonders for everyday indigestion, gas, and bloating by helping to soothe inflammatory pain in the digestive tract. Making it as simple. For a soothing tea, just steep a handful of fresh or dried peppermint leaves in hot water. As a bonus, the cooling vapor from the tea can also help clear up sinus congestion when you have a cold. Number 8, lavender. Coming in at number 8 is the icon of tranquility itself, lavender. For centuries, the beautiful purple flowers of the lavender plant have been used to calm nerves and encourage rest. Its scent alone can transport you to a place of peace, but its true power is more than just a pleasant smell. Science has confirmed what folk medicine has always taught. Lavender genuinely reduces anxiety. The magic is in a compound called linalool. What's fascinating is that research has shown for linalool to have a calming effect. You have to smell it. When you inhale lavender's aroma, linalool gets to work on your nervous system, promoting relaxation without the grogginess of some prescription drugs. Clinical trials have even shown it can reduce anxiety in stressful situations, like before surgery. One of the easiest ways to use it is through aromatherapy. Just add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser before you go to sleep. You can also brew a mild tea from its dried buds for a calming internal effect. Its unique ability to soothe the mind through scent alone makes it a true superpower plant. Number 7, calendula. Now for the plant I mentioned at the beginning. At number 7, we have calendula, also known as pot marigold. This cheerful, sun-loving flower is an absolute powerhouse for skin healing. While it's a beautiful addition to any garden, its real value is in its sticky flower heads, which are packed with healing compounds. For centuries, herbalists have used calendula in salves and oils for almost every skin issue you can think of: rashes, burns, bug bites, and minor wounds. Modern science is catching up, confirming that calendula has remarkable anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and wound-healing properties. Compounds like flavonoids and triterpenoids in the flowers help boost collagen production and cell regeneration, which means wounds may heal faster and with less scarring. Clinical studies have demonstrated its effectiveness, which is why it's a go-to ingredient in so many natural skincare products. The best way to use calendula is topically. You can make your own healing oil by infusing dried calendula flowers in a carrier oil, like olive or coconut oil, for a few weeks. Once you strain it, you'll have a golden-colored oil that you can apply directly to irritated skin or use as a base to create a healing salve with some beeswax. Number 5. Echinacea. Halfway through our list, at number 5, is the beautiful and formidable echinacea, also known as purple coneflower. With its stunning purple petals, it's a popular garden plant, but its real strength is in its roots and flowers, which are a cornerstone of immune-boosting herbal medicine. Echinacea's superpower is its ability to stimulate the body's immune response, making it a go-to for fighting off the common cold and flu. Now, it's worth noting that the scientific evidence here has been mixed. However, several large-scale analyses suggest that taking echinacea can reduce both your chances of catching a cold and how long it lasts. It's thought to work by stimulating immune cells like macrophages and natural killer cells. Native Americans used it extensively for a wide range of ailments, especially for wounds and infections, which speaks to its antibiotic properties. The most potent preparations are usually made from the roots, often as a tincture where they're soaked in alcohol for several weeks. This creates a concentrated extract you can take at the first sign of getting sick. That tingling sensation it leaves on your tongue, that's a sign of its active compounds, called alkylamides, getting to work. Number 4, sage. Coming in at number 4 is an herb you probably have in your kitchen right now, sage. Its name comes from the Latin word salvia, which means to heal or to save. For centuries, it's been linked with wisdom and clarity, and its healing superpower is enhancing cognitive function. Sage was traditionally used to improve memory and sharpen the senses, and modern science is now confirming these effects. Studies have shown that even a single dose of sage can improve memory and attention in both young and older adults. Its brain-boosting effects are thought to be tied to its active compounds, which can protect the brain and regulate key neurotransmitters like acetylcholine, which is crucial for memory. Beyond the brain, sage is also a powerful antimicrobial, which makes a strong sage tea an excellent gargle for a sore throat, tonsillitis, or mouth sores. To get its brain-boosting benefits, you can simply add more fresh sage into your cooking. For a potent sore throat remedy, brew a strong tea with a handful of leaves, let it cool, and use it as a gargle a few times a day. Number 3, rosemary. Our number 3 plant is another kitchen favorite with a deep medicinal history, rosemary. In ancient Greece, scholars would wear rosemary wreaths to help them remember things during exams. This is why it's famously known as the herb of remembrance. And it turns out there's some serious science to back up that old wisdom. Rosemary contains a potent compound called carnosic acid, which has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects on the brain. Studies have shown that it fights damage from free radicals and protects brain cells. Research in both animals and humans has linked rosemary to improved memory and circulation. In fact, recent research has explored a synthesized, stable form of carnosic acid as a potential therapeutic agent against Alzheimer's disease. The easiest way to get its benefits is to use it in your cooking. Even the aroma might have positive effects. You can also make a rosemary tea or use rosemary-infused oil for a stimulating scalp treatment to improve circulation. Number 2, holy basil, tulsi. And number 2, we have a plant revered in India as the queen of herbs, holy basil or tulsi. For over 3,000 years, it has been considered a sacred plant believed to promote longevity and well-being. Its superpower is being an adaptogen, a natural substance that helps your body adapt to stress and find mental balance. In our high-stress world, holy basil is more relevant than ever. Chronic stress leads to high levels of the hormone cortisol, which can mess with your sleep, weaken your immune system, and lead to weight gain. Holy basil helps by regulating your body's stress response system. Clinical studies have confirmed that taking holy basil can significantly reduce feelings of stress and anxiety, and even lower cortisol levels in the blood. This makes it an incredible ally for building resilience against the pressures of modern life. The most popular way to enjoy holy basil is as a tea, often called Tulsi tea. Its flavor is uplifting, spicy, and a little peppery. Drinking a cup daily can help your body and mind better handle both physical and emotional stress. Number 1, stinging nettle. And finally, at number 1 on our list is a plant that most people try to avoid, stinging nettle. It's famous for the painful sting it gives you on contact. But if you can get past its defenses, you'll discover one of the most nutritious and powerfully medicinal plants on the planet. Stinging nettle's superpower is its profound anti-inflammatory and nutritive action. Historically, it's been used to treat arthritis, joint pain, and seasonal allergies. Recent clinical trials are validating these uses, especially for hay fever. Studies suggest nettle works by affecting key receptors and enzymes linked to allergy symptoms. It's also incredibly rich in vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, and vitamin K, making it a natural, food-based multivitamin. The trick to using nettle is to neutralize its sting, which you can easily do by cooking or drying the leaves. Once cooked, the leaf can be eaten like spinach or brewed into a deep green, earthy-tasting tea. A daily cup of nettle tea during allergy season is a traditional remedy that many people swear by. This humble weed is the perfect example of how nature's most powerful gifts are often hidden in plain sight. And there you have it, 10 common plants with extraordinary healing superpowers, just waiting to be discovered in your own backyard. From the calming comfort of chamomile to the surprising strength of stinging nettle, nature offers us a whole pharmacy of remedies that are both gentle and effective. By reconnecting with this age-old wisdom, we give ourselves the power to take a more active role in our own health, using the gifts the earth provides. Which of these plants are you most excited to try? Do you already use some of them at home? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to and share it with someone who might find this knowledge useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.